Thank you guys so much for coming on. I have a huge surprise for all of you guys. I have been all day. Hi, hello. Thank you for coming on. I have a huge surprise. So I need you guys to all go follow me at Sandy Gallant on Facebook because I have been doing some amazing, they're backwards, ready? Some amazing charts and demos and videos for you guys all day today. So what does that mean? It means I have a free 5-day motivation guide that we start on Monday. Hi, welcome, thank you. Well, listen, it's all about getting focused, getting our nutrition right, getting ourselves motivated to want to work out and want to be fit. Oh, thank you for all the hearts. I appreciate that. Thank you. If you guys can swipe to the right and share for me, that would be awesome. My goal is to help all of you be motivated and healthy and fit for all of our families and our loved ones. Thank you so much for sharing. Hi, Belgium. So yes, my whole day today has been making videos for our motivation group on Monday. So if you guys want to join, it's like I said, it starts this coming Monday. Oh my goodness, look at all those hearts. Thank you. We start on Monday, and you can follow me at Sandy Gallant, okay? It's G-L-A-N-D-T, okay? So find me on Facebook. It's free. Did I mention it was free? Whoa, look at all those hearts. Thank you, guys are amazing. So follow me because I am going to show you how to do a success schedule. I'm going to show you, thank you for sharing, you guys. Thank you, Brian Murphy. I'm going to show you how to do a success schedule. I'm going to show you how to plan out your meals for the week. I'm going to show you how to get motivated. It's everything that you need. We don't want to do anything unless we have the motivation and the determination to do it. So I am here to show you how we're going to do it together, okay? So I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Let me see hearts if you guys have trouble getting motivated to work out, to eat healthy, to keep yourself in check when you're going grocery shopping. Like, what is it that you guys have problems with? Because I want to solve that problem for you. I'll give you one quick tip. So never go to the grocery store hungry, because you're going to want to go eat everything that you see and go buy everything, and it's just going to be, it's not going to turn out well for you because you're going to end up with a cart full of junk, and we don't want that. So I am going to show you how to do your success schedule. I'm going to show you how to portion control. Isn't this awesome? I'm going to show you serving sizes, what the right serving sizes are for you. I'm going to show you a weekly meal planner where you're going to save money. You're going to save money by doing these charts and getting yourself super organized, okay? I'm going to show you how to make smart goals, okay? So all of these things, we're going to get on track for you. And then the last thing is we're going to show you how to do daily motivation, okay? So listen, I am here to help you guys, and first of all, rude comments will not be accepted on here, so those are going to be gone and you will be deleted. You can eat carbs, yes, you'll be deleted for inappropriate comments, but what I'm talking about is our motivation group that we start on Monday. So go follow me at Sandy Gallant on Facebook, on Instagram, and you will see, oh, we have very inappropriate comments coming through. So we're going to block you. We're going to go on a block party. So go follow me. We start on Monday. Get yourself ready to be motivated and healthy. And if you know anyone that can benefit from this, please share with them so they can jump on. Like I said, it is free. So I encourage you all to jump on, and we're going to do it together, okay? Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.